Hello friends, today's story is The Wolf and the Lamb. Once a little lamb was grazing on a meadow along with a flock of sheep. Being very mischievous, the little lambs wandered some distance away from the sheep. It began to enjoy the fresh and delicious grass that it found there. It had come a long way from its group, but was unaware of that. The lamb was also unaware of another fact: a wolf was closely following it. When the lamb realized that it had lost its way and was far away from the flock, it decided to return and join them. However, the lamb was stunned to see a hungry and cunning wolf standing behind it. The lamb realized that there was no option except to surrender itself to the wolf. The lamb asked the wolf, "Are you going to eat me?" The wolf said, "Yes, at any cost." The lamb said again, "But can you please wait for some more time? I have eaten a lot of grass now and my stomach is filled with grass. If you eat me now, you will feel as though you are eating grass. So please wait until the grass is digested." The wolf agreed. "Oh yes, I will wait. You are here before me and I can wait for some more time." The lamb thanked the wolf. After some time, the wolf got ready to kill lamb, but the lamb stopped him again. "Dear wolf, please wait for some more time. The grass is yet to be digested. If you eat me now, you will see a lot of grass in my stomach. Let me dance and then it will be digested easily." The wolf agreed. The little lamb danced crazily for a while and then suddenly stopped. The wolf inquired what had happened. "You will unite," the lamb said. "I cannot dance properly because there is no music. You see this bell around my neck. Can this well and ring it loudly? Then I can dance fast and the grass in my stomach also will get digested fast." The wolf, overcome with the desire to eat the lamb, was ready to do anything. He removed the bell tied to the lamb's neck and rang it with all his might. Meanwhile, the shepherd was searching for the little lamb and heard the bell ringing. He saw the wolf and the lamb. He ran towards the wolf with a stick. Seeing the shepherd with a stick, the wolf ran away and the lamb was saved. So friends, the moral of this story is physical strength is not sufficient. Sometimes weaker people with smart minds can overcome the physical strong ones. Thank you.